You're getting ready to move, you've got boxes everywhere, your garage looks like a shipping center, and you're trying to pack away your entire life while juggling closing times, movers, and maybe even kids or pets. It's a very stressful time. So you might be thinking, you know what? I'll just leave a few things behind that the buyers might need. A little extra carpet, a half can of paint, and those old garden hoses. Maybe they'll appreciate it, right? Wrong. Please don't do that. My teammate and I just had to drag out 3 huge rolls of old carpet, a pile of paint cans, and random cleaning supplies from a property we were closing on during the buyer's final walkthrough. And guess what? They didn't want any of it. They were stressed, annoyed, and it almost delayed the closing and costed my sellers a couple $100. Unless something that is specifically written into the contract, like patio furniture, appliances, or maybe extra flooring that was negotiated, you need to take everything with you. That includes extra tiles, garden pots, leftover mulch bags, cleaning supplies, and paint cans, even if they're labeled just in case. Buyers want a clean, empty house, period. If you're getting ready to sell, I'll help you plan everything from what to keep and what to toss, and what needs to go before closing. Let's make sure the sale goes smoothly without any last-minute surprises on moving day. Reach out if you need a game plan. I've got you covered.